All right, we're back again here with the Tacoma. Last video, I had it running with the twin turbo V6 LS3 engine. We have now taken that out and put a LS3. We've now done an LS3 with a 6L80. This 6.2 liter aluminum. Still running the Camaro PWM radiator fan, the CSF radiator. Still running the electric power steering pump, which is out of a Volvo. This thing runs awesome. Let me do a little startup so you can hear it. Truck's pretty dirty. It's been raining here for a while. So, this is one of those MBRP 3-inch exhausts that you can buy. That's just basically, I don't know how I should say, it's like the catback exhaust you buy for a Tacoma. So it's a 3-inch MBRP, and then I just got two vibrant resonators off the off of the Fuel Tech headers. Yep. I don't know if I can get a decent video of it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say with this MBR, with this exhaust setup, this thing sounds really good with a V8 in it. And I mean, a 6.2 LS3 V8 nonetheless sounds great. So on my last video, I had a bunch of comments about what I'm gonna do about all the gauge cluster issues running a different motor. So what I did here, this is I still got some wiring to do with the fuel gauge and stuff, but this is a Dakota Digital HDX 2014. I made my own little aluminum bezel, still cut up the factory cluster so it still flows with the rest of the gauge cluster. And then, I mean, this is an HDX version of the Dakota Digital, so I can change colors and do whatever I want with it. But it works perfect for what I got. I still got some things to figure out. Well, not really figure out, but still more work to do. Like, I got to wire in the fuel gauge. Have a check engine light for something simple. I forgot what it was already. Still rocking the PSC electric shifter. Let's just go for a little drive here. Inside the cab, this thing sounds great. No drone or anything ridiculous. That Volvo power steering pump is almost perfect for this Tacoma.